Playing video games is an excellent source of entertainment, and many of us love to play video games. Although when we talk about playing video games, it refers to mobile games, PlayStation, Xbox, TV games, and web-based gaming. Each video game provides different gaming experiences, but playing mobile video games or TV games using a gaming controller is a great experience. Those who have played mobile video games utilizing the gaming controller would understand what we're talking about. Dear viewers, today we'll talk about SteelSeries Nimbus Bluetooth gaming controller.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The SteelSeries Nimbus Bluetooth mobile gaming controller is a piece of excellent gaming equipment if you have an iOS-enabled device and if you like to play games. You can connect the console to your Mac as well as to play games. It uses Bluetooth 4.1 technology and the signal strength is excellent as it works almost instantly. The gaming console is compatible in most of the Apple devices including iPhone X, 8, 8 Plus, 7S, 7S Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, 6, 6 Plus, 5, 5C, 5S, iPad Pro, Mini, Mini 4, Mini 3, Mini 2, Air, Air 2, iPod Touch, Mac, Apple TV 4K, Apple TV. The SteelSeries Nimbus Bluetooth mobile gaming controller comes with pressure-sensitive buttons, and buttons are quite smooth to press. The console is designed ergonomically for ease of use, and it comes with a similar layout of any other gaming console. It also offers a Nimbus companion app in which you would get information on the compatible games that you could play using the gaming controller. For instant navigation, it comes with a menu button. You can get the controller charged using the Lightning connector. A long-lasting battery lasts for more than 40 hours once the battery is fully charged. It's time to look into the user reviews of this gaming console and find out what customers are saying. The SteelSeries Nimbus has got 3.9 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 4,408 customer ratings. Here are some comments from customers. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "Amazing gadget! Thanks to SteelSeries for this gamepad. Connection very easy, not necessary setup, just connect and play." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "Brought for use with Fortnite, need to set controller settings, but once done, that it was easier to play on iPad than Xbox. Controller very reactive and no lag at all." Some buyers didn't like the product, and among them one customer gave 1 star and commented, "I might just be unlucky. I bought it and never actually used it until about a year later. After about 10 hours of playing games over the first week, the right trigger messed up." That's all we have on the SteelSeries Nimbus Bluetooth mobile gaming controller for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.